In today's show, Bitcoin is about to tap a trend line that can send the crypto market on an explosive rally. Taking a look at what crypto analyst Crypto Bullet shared on Twitter. Bitcoin 1 million log scale update. Let's once again take a look at our beloved log scale chart. As long as we're closing the monthly above the trend line, this is just another great buying opportunity. Zoom out and look at the big picture. We'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin is money printing protection as U.S. bond yields hit lowest ever. Taking a look at these tweets, Hunter Horsley wrote, S&P is negative 7.6% today. Based on historical volatility, a negative 7.6 move in the S&P is equal to negative 41% in Bitcoin. Yet, in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is only down negative 5% and only a 0.5% since midnight today. That's uncorrelated. The treasuries are up. That's a negative coral, which is a different thing. And then we had Naval share. At the moment, Bitcoin is not a general hedge against every black swan. It still behaves like a risk on trade. But long term, Bitcoin is a hedge against central banks printing money, which is inevitable as a reaction to the virus. And then taking a look at one of my favorite crypto analysts, Josh Rager, had to share regarding the coronavirus. He said it could lead to more people adopting crypto assets like Bitcoin to reduce the possible exposure to the virus. Crypto investors already knew fiat money was dirty. Touche. And he also went on to share, nice to see the short-term relief in the past few hours. The Bitcoin price couldn't break above the daily open and want to see it break this area before I feel good about any potential short-term rally. I'll take some profits at the resistance block above between $8,030 and $8,100. We'll be breaking all this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, all the major cryptos are pumping and in the green. Once again, where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, Tika Twari is back with 5 coins to 5 million, the final 5. This is the live crypto event taking place March 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern. To reserve your seat and discover 5 tiny cryptocurrencies that can turn a $500 investment into $5 million thanks to a crypto market phenomenon guaranteed to hit in roughly 50 days. And FYI, it's not the Bitcoin halving. To register, click the link right below the video. In the description, it's going to take you here, enter your favorite email, and click the button that says sign me up. And I look forward to seeing you there. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story of the day. Bitcoin about to tap a trend line that can send the crypto market on an explosive rally. The crypto market has been caught within an intense bout of volatility over the past several days and weeks, to say the least, right? Which has been led by Bitcoin's capitulatory decline from recent highs of 10,500 to lows of 7,700, which is where we set today. This intense downtrend has led Bitcoin to a critical macro support level that can provide investors with an ideal buying opportunity. Multiple major altcoins have also approached key support levels over the past several days, which a continued defense of these levels potentially opening the gates for significant near-term rallies in the days and weeks ahead. At this time, Bitcoin is currently trading just above the $8,000 support. So we did have a nice bounce back from that about $7,700 level, and things are starting to get scary. I will admit, it's like, how low will she go? But that correction has already turned around and the market is starting to pump once again. The intense downtrend that Bitcoin has been caught within over the past several days and weeks has led the aggregated crypto market to similarly see some intense losses, with Ethereum and XRP and most other major altcoins erasing the bulk of their 2020 gains. In spite of the overt bearishness of the price action seen throughout the past few days, it is important to note that the aggregated crypto market may soon see a notable short-term rebound. The Crypto Miss, a popular crypto analyst on Twitter, explained in a recent tweet that she believes both Ethereum and Litecoin may see some upside if they're able to hold above their key support levels at $195 and $48 respectively. Taking a look at her tweet on crypto Twitter, she wrote hashtag hopium. Both Ethereum and Litecoin have a few hours to hold on to their bullish pattern support lines. Ethereum must hold above 195 and Litecoin must hold above $48. So let's take a look. Ethereum is definitely above 195, currently trading at $203, and Litecoin is above, currently trading at just above $50. So Bitcoin could spark a massive market-wide rally if it bounces at this key level. Crypto Bullet, another popular crypto analyst on Twitter, explained in a tweet that Bitcoin is currently approaching a key macro trend line that has historically sparked explosive upward movements. Taking a look at his tweet on crypto Twitter, Bitcoin 1 million log scale update. Let's once again take a look at our beloved log scale chart. As long as we're closing the monthly above the trend line, this is just another great buying opportunity. Zoom out and look at the big picture. And let's take a look at this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description. And it looks like this trend line is just above $7,750. And we're currently trading at above 8,000. So it looks like we've held the trend line. Byzantine responded, there aren't enough rocket emojis on that chart. Rocket ship to the moon times 10. If Bitcoin posts a highly bullish response to this level, as it has done in the past, then it's highly probable that the aggregated crypto market will also incur some intense upwards momentum in the weeks ahead. And now for our next story of the day, Bitcoin is money printing protection as the US bond yields hit lowest ever of all time, right? Bitcoin is not a hedge against every global meltdown, but will ultimately protect its users from central banks, governments, and fiat money printing. Touche. That was the consensus building among crypto supporters on March 10th as traders awaited the next stage of the worldwide panic. This had given much of the economy its worst day since the 2008 financial crisis. Bitcoin increasingly uncorrelated. On Monday, currency markets and stocks led the losses, which were later joined by markets such as U.S. government bond yields. In a move unprecedented in history, the entire U.S. bond yield curve dropped below 1%, signaling intense concern from traders over a global recession and oil price war, and of course, coronavirus. At the same time, Bitcoin shed around 15% overnight. Volatility, which at press time had nonetheless subsided. Noting historical behavior, Hunter Horsley, the CEO of Bitwise, said that Bitcoin was performing much better than before versus the S&P 500 in particular. Taking a look at his tweet on crypto Twitter, S&P is negative 7.6% today. Based on historical volatility, a negative 7.6% move in S&P is equivalent to negative 41% in Bitcoin. Yet, in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is only down 5% and only 0.5% since midnight tonight. That's uncorrelated. The treasuries are up. That's a negative coral, which is a different thing. So is Bitcoin a hedge against printing money? Absolutely. AngelList CEO Naval, meanwhile, suggested that investors zoom out from the recent price adjustments. Here's what he shared on crypto Twitter. At the moment, Bitcoin is not a general hedge against every black swan and still behaves like a risk-on trade. But long term, Bitcoin is a hedge against central banks printing money, which is inevitable as a reaction to the virus. Bitcoin has traditionally favored investors with low time preference, those who understand that saving and sound money guarantees more wealth in the future versus spending and borrowing. And taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin is up almost 3%, now trading just below $8,100, which is the current resistance at this time. Ethereum is about even, trading at $204. XRP up 2%, trading at 21 cents. Miss Litecoin up 1.2%, trading just above $50. BNB is up 1.7%, trading at $17. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision trading just at $200. Bitcoin Cash is down 0.2%, trading at $274. Link is up 0.78%, trading at $4.16. And as you can see, after a bloodbath in the market in the past 48 hours, Bitcoin and the market is finally surging once again. And taking a look at what crypto analyst Josh Rager has to share surrounding the coronavirus, he put, the coronavirus could lead more people adopting crypto assets such as Bitcoin to reduce possible exposure to the virus. Crypto investors already knew fiat money was dirty. And here's an actual article published on Forbes of the WHO organization encouraging the use of cryptos due to the coronavirus. Josh Rager also went on to share, nice to see short-term relief in the past few hours. The price couldn't break above the daily open and want to see it break this area before I feel good about any potential short-term rally. I'll take some profits at the resistance block above between $8,030 and $8,100. And he included this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description. And the daily open is about 7,900, which we're currently above. We're just trading right below 8,100 at this time. The current crypto market cap is sitting at $229 billion with $151 billion in volume in the last 24 hours. And the current Bitcoin dominance is 64.1%, which is currently on the climb. And taking a look at the top gainers in the top 100 cryptos, we have Loopring leading the way, up a whopping 24%, trading at just below 5 cents. Synthetics Network up 21%, trading at 73 cents. KuCoin shares up 10%, trading at $1.38. Steam up almost 9%, trading at 21 cents. Augur up 8.5%, trading at $12.31. And Nexo up 8%, trading at 15 cents. And now for the biggest losers, Ren down 8%, trading at just below 7 cents. Swipe down 7.8%, trading at 83 cents. Hedera Hashgraph down 6%, trading at just below 5 cents. Molecular Future down 5%, trading just below 52 cents. Wax down 5%, trading at 4 cents. And DX Chain Token down 4%, trading at 0.001. And taking a look at the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are finally back in control, leading with about 75 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with longs leading 51% versus 49% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know in the comments right down below. And checking out one of my favorite indicators, it's the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. We're currently rated a 16 in extreme fear. Yesterday we were a 17 in extreme fear, last week a 40 in fear, and last month a 61 in greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index and how it works, extreme fear, which is where we're currently at, this could be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. Wink, wink. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And checking out the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown, there's 61 days, 22 hours, 30 minutes, and 33 seconds left. But who's counting? This guy right here. We count down every single day right here on the show. The estimated time of the Bitcoin block reward halving is currently May 11th. Once this goes down, it's going to be twice as difficult to mine Bitcoin and twice as expensive to do so. Typically, this causes a surge, a parabolic rally in the market that can last several years. We witnessed it back in 2016 and we witnessed it back in 2012. And if history rhymes, then you already know what to expect. A new all-time high for the Bitcoin price this year. I will not be surprised if Bitcoin dwarfs the previous all-time high set in December of 2017, which was $20,000, and make that look like child's play. And I also am in agreement with the stock to flow model and plan B with the prediction that Bitcoin will reach a 6-digit price, which means $100,000 or more by the end of 2021. But what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. And I want to encourage you to check out the description right below this video by clicking on show more in the description right down below for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. And this goes for all of the videos right here on my channel. I also have some very helpful resources for you to tap into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. This is updated every single day, in which you can download the latest episode of the podcast. Also, I'm going to assume you've already subscribed here on YouTube. If you haven't done so, you already know what to do. And we're on all the major podcasting platforms, including Apple's iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, TuneIn. So whichever podcasting community you're active on, please help support the show. You can also follow us on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. And I also have a private crypto Facebook group with over 17,000 strong from all over the world. To become a part of that, all you need to do is click this link, request to join, and I'll make sure you get plugged in. And I also have a private crypto Telegram chat. To become a part of this, all you need to do is click this link specifically from a mobile device, and you'll automatically be added. And I'm looking forward to connecting with you on the inside. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me as we take this crypto rocket ship to the moon. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, Teeka Tiwari's 5 coins to 5 million, the final 5 live cryptocurrency event is going down March 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern. To register, click the link right below this video in the description. It's going to take you to this page. Simply enter your favorite email, then click the button that says sign me up. Teeka's going to be sharing 5 tiny cryptocurrencies that can turn a $500 investment into $5 million thanks to a crypto market phenomenon guaranteed to hit in roughly 50 days. And we're not talking about the Bitcoin halving. Then after you enter your email, it's going to take you to this thank you page for a short video from Fernando, who's going to prepare you for this epic event going down on a $45 million Gulfstream jet. You heard me right, because Teeka is going to be taking you to a private location to show you what this is all about. And then what you're going to want to do is enter your mobile number and then click the button that says receive bonus, and you'll receive all of the bonuses that Teeka Tiwari is giving away, which does include Teeka's 2018 Legacy Investment Summit speech valued at $1,595. Bonus number 2, instant access to the Crypto Academy. That's a $5,000 bonus of crypto education coming directly from Teeka Tiwari. You also receive bonus number 3, concierge text service reminder. And number 4, immediate access to the Palm Beach Confidential Sweepstakes for your chance to win a free $10,000 subscription to Teeka's research. All this is free just for becoming a VIP member for this live event. And I also want to throw out there that Teeka Tiwari has been so accurate in his predictions. Last year, he recommended Chainlink, which ended up being the #1 performing crypto asset in the entire market, right? And he did that live on a webinar in front of tens of thousands of people. Then in 2018, he recommended to his readers and subscribers BNB coin, which was the best performing crypto asset of 2018 during a crypto winter. It was like the only crypto that actually went up in value. And then in 2017, he recommended a tiny crypto by the name of Ripple XRP, which was the best performing crypto asset of that year. And then in 2016, he recommended and he wrote a report specifically on Ethereum back when it was trading at just a few dollars. So for 4 years straight, he has a track record of picking the top performing assets in the crypto market. And for 2020, I'm anxious to see what he has to share, especially leading into the halving, literally 61 days from today. So be sure to register. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.